Hello, welcome to my channel Psychometric Solutions. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to calculate descriptive statistics in the SPSS software. The SPSS software provides different ways of calculating the descriptive statistics, and we have different kind of descriptive statistics like mean, mode, skewness, kurtosis, frequency distribution, and so many other descriptive statistics that can be used at the different stages of data analysis. So, in order to calculate the descriptive statistics in the SPSS, go to the Analyze, go to the Descriptive. Now, you have to decide which kind of descriptive statistics you are going to calculate. Let's suppose we are going to calculate the frequency tables. So click on the frequency. In here you can enter the variable for which you want to create the frequency table. Let's suppose I want to create the frequency table for the age variable. So I enter this age variable and then I click on the OK. And here you can see that we have total 308 respondents, while the age is from minimum 20 years till up to more than 50 years. And here you can see we have more respondents in the age group of 26 to 30 years, which are about more than 40% of the total data. So this is how you can calculate the frequency table. If you want to calculate the mean and the standard deviation, then you can calculate it by clicking on the descriptive statistics, and here you can enter the variable for which you want to calculate the descriptive statistics. Let's suppose I want to calculate the descriptive statistics like mean and mode and standard deviation for these three variables. So I enter these, click on the option. If you want something else apart from this mean and standard deviation, maximum and minimum, like if you need the sum or if you need the skewness and kurtosis, then you click. If you don't want, you don't click it because it would just create a mess. After clicking your required data, you click on the continue and then click on the OK. So here you can see the descriptive statistic table. We have total 308 respondents. The minimum for the first variable is 1, while the maximum is 5.03. And we have the mean here, which is 2.57. Standard deviation is 1.25. We have here the skewness and kurtosis. I have a separate video on skewness and kurtosis. In this way, you can calculate the descriptive statistics in the SPSS. Let's suppose you want to calculate the cross tab. So you have, let's suppose, the gender. The gender is entered into the row, and let's suppose we have this variable of, let's suppose, vigor. I enter it in the column. If you want something else like chi-square, you can click on it. If you need kappa or other things, I have a separate videos on these things, so you can click on it. Otherwise, don't click. If you don't need it, it would create a mess. Click on the OK, and here we have the cross tab. So as this is a large data, so that's why the cross table is large. Here we have the chi-square test. So in this way you can calculate the different kind of descriptive statistics via through